Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best folding electric bikes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading folding electric bike that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Oraimo Folding Electric Bike. This isn't just any e-bike, it's a game changer. With a 750W brushless motor peaking at 1000W, this bike conquers any terrain with ease. Its robust 3-inch fat tire ensures a smooth ride on various surfaces. The bike features a UL-certified hidden 48V 11.6 Li-ion battery. It lasts up to 45 miles on a single charge and recharges in just 3.5 hours. The foldable lightweight aluminum frame is easy to store and transport. The adjustable saddle and handlebar ensure maximum comfort. The bike has 5 PAS levels and a Shimano 7-speed gear system. This gives you control over your speed and cadence. The bike comes 90% pre-assembled with a 12-month warranty. For any assistance, you can contact their US local call center. In conclusion, to wrap up, the Oraimo folding electric bike is a fantastic choice for those seeking power, performance, and comfort. Remember, your safety comes first. Number 4. The Gotrax NEPHELE 16-inch electric bike, a game changer in the world of e-bikes. Let's dive in. First off, the powerful performance. With a 350W motor, this bike can reach speeds of 15.5 miles per hour. And with just 5.5 hours of charging, you can travel up to 15.5 miles on electric mode alone. Next, let's talk about safety and comfort. The NEPHELE features adjustable seating and handlebars, dual disc brakes, and front shock absorbers. It's all about your comfort and safety. Moving on to the diverse riding experiences. Whether you're cruising, exercising, or commuting, the NEPHELE has you covered with 3 riding modes. Plus, it has a rear cargo rack for your luggage. Now, let's discuss the riding freedom. The NEPHELE's foldable design makes it easy to store. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or adventuring, this e-bike is your perfect companion. Lastly, the easy assembly and after-sales guarantee. The NEPHELE is easy to assemble and comes with a 365-day limited warranty. Gotrax strives to provide 100% satisfactory after-sales service. In conclusion, that's it for our review of the Gotrax NEPHELE 16 electric bike. It's more than just an e-bike, it's your ticket to freedom. Number 3. The LECTRIC XP Lite electric bike, a lightweight, foldable e-bike that's perfect for adults on the go. With a steady 300W motor that peaks at 720W, this bike offers a manual pedal option or a boosted ride with 5 pedal assist levels, reaching up to 20 miles per hour. Whether it's concrete, gravel, grass, or dirt, the XP Lite handles it all. It even withstands light rain and puddles, thanks to its water-resistant electrical components. Absolutely. From college students to city dwellers, hikers, and even grandparents, this e-bike is designed for everyone. No assembly required. Just unfold and go. The 48-volt 7.8 Ah battery charges fully in 4 to 6 hours and fits neatly into a hidden compartment. After selling over 200,000 e-bikes, LECTRIC knows their stuff. Their US-based customer service team is ready to assist you. In conclusion, that's the LECTRIC XP Lite electric bike. It's powerful, versatile, user-friendly, and backed by a trusted brand. Number 2. The EBKAROCY Ebike for adults. This isn't just any Ebike, it's a game changer. Firstly, the 400W motor and 48V15Ah battery. It's powerful, durable, and can travel 32 miles per charge. That's a whole day's use. Next, the shock absorption. With 4 areas of shock absorption, bumpy roads are no longer a concern. Comfortable city riding is now a reality. Let's talk about safety and comfort. The high-carbon steel body ensures safety, and the high-density sponge seat provides ultimate comfort. Another great feature is its foldability. It's compact, lightweight, and even has a mobile phone holder for added convenience. Lastly, EBKAROCY is a reliable brand. They prioritize quality control and customer satisfaction. Plus, they offer a 90-day warranty with free replacement parts. In conclusion, the EBKAROCY Ebike is a fantastic choice for adults seeking a comfortable, safe, and efficient mode of transportation. Number 1. The Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Ride-On Bike. This bike is all about convenience and style, perfect for those aged 13 and up. This bike offers a max range of 15 miles, perfect for neighborhood exploration or commuting. The Bolt's motor is not only powerful but also quiet, making your ride smooth and enjoyable. Its collapsible handlebar makes it easy to carry and store, whether at home or work. Safety is a priority with the bright LED headlight, ensuring you can see and be seen. The steel alloy frame is sturdy yet lightweight, supporting up to 265 pounds. In conclusion, the Jetson Bolt is a fantastic electric ride-on bike. With its powerful motor, lightweight frame, and convenient features, it's a great choice for everyday use. Remember, it's UL 2272 certified for safety. So, why wait? Take charge and get your Jetson Bolt today. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.